Hey everybody, 6 o'clock. Welcome back to Cooking with the Skinny Guinea, where we cook quick, healthier meals in 30 minutes or less. Tonight we are cooking chicken kebabs with onion and zucchini. And I don't know if you guys can see here, but I am hard at work. I couldn't give you like a good slap when I first introduced myself because I got like chicken gook like all over my hands. What I do with these chicken kebabs, I put them in the oven. I got a couple of batches going because I want to show you guys the finished product. So I got a batch in the oven right now that's cooking at 400 at convection bake. So I got a batch in the oven right now, and then I'm going to show you guys, I'm just going to kind of prepare a little bit of the chicken kebab just to show you guys how to prepare the chicken kebab. So I got my chicken kebab, I got one chicken kebab, I got my chicken kebab, I got one chicken kebab, I got my chicken kebab, I got one chicken kebab here. That's all done and ready to go. What I have here is I have two separate bowls, one with my chicken, one with my vegetables, but I got the same seasoning in both of these bowls. A little bit of olive oil, I have a little bit of thyme, I have a little bit of garlic powder, some onion powder, and a little bit of Parmesan cheese in there as well. So what I'm going to do is, I already started one kebab, so I'm going to just kind of keep going here and just put my my kebabs together. All right, let's see what we got going on here. Let me open up. I got, look at my hand, it's like all chickened up. All right, so I got some in the oven there, you can see, right? See that? I'm going to show you guys how I'm putting together the kebabs, you know, so you guys could go ahead and, what do you call that? Kebab along? Hold on. Hey, wait, come here, I got chicken all over my hands. Come here for a second, please. I gotta raise this. I got a lot of chicken. I don't think there's anything grosser than like chicken hands. Babe, anything grosser than chicken hands? All right, so guys, here's the question of the day while I'm kebabbing around here. Question of the day is about kebabs, and I want to know what kind of kebabs you guys like. Do you like chicken kebabs? Do you like beef kebabs? Or do you like shrimp kebabs? So go ahead and comment. Let me know what you're working with there in terms of kebabs. I got a lot of chicken. Oh, my skewers. Come on. Guinea pig. You like kebabs? Okay, so that means my first batch should be done. All right, come on. Come on, baby. Let's go take a look. Yeah, kiddo. Oh, this is... Hold on, how do you spell what? Recipe? R-E-C-I-P-E. Say hi, Morgs. R-E-C-I-P-E, recipe. All right, so looking pretty good. You know, I don't mess around with chicken. So I'm gonna cook that for like another 3 or 4 minutes. Alexa, 3-minute timer. Looking good here. Looking real good. And if it's your first time joining, guys, so I'm the Skinny Guinea, and my wife is the guinea pig. And at the end of every episode, the Skinny Guinea gives the guinea pig a little bit of the meal, and she either gives me, look, I got chicken hands. 2 thumbs up, 1 thumb up, 1 thumb down, or 2 thumbs down to let me know like how I did. But I know she's not a big like meat eater, you know? She's not like a real carnivore. So if I would have made beef kebabs, 2 thumbs down on beef kebabs. I got another zucchini in case I would touch it, but I got chicken hands. Oh, wait, hold on. Let me just turn you around. Okay, you got me? Hold on, let me get... I got chicken hands. Oh, yeah, look at that. I think we're ready to go. Look at that. See that? Guinea pig, you ready? Because we're ready for you. Nice. Look at that. Chicken kebabs. just want to try them. Say hi. I gotta tell them hi. Okay, so this is the finished product here. Okay, and we're gonna give Michelle a little bit of taste here. Okay, babe. Let's get you one of these kebabs. You can do whatever you want. I don't really care. Stop. Oh, you're going right in for the kill? Okay, let's see, guys.
Seasoning on chicken?
Yeah. It's cooked.
It's cooked. I took it out.
When she eats, she just take it all in. Yeah, savor it, baby. Stop.
It's okay. Maybe a little bit of salt. I like the chicken pieces. They're small. I think the zucchini pieces are a little big, but I know you got to be big enough to put on the kebab.
Yeah.
But it's good. Maybe a little bit of salt. But other than that, it's good. 1.5.
All right, guys. I'll take the 1.5 stars. That's it. That was like the quickest episode. That was like in, out, like done. That's how we do it, man. You know, quick meals, quick healthier meals in 30 minutes or less. So, guys, thanks for tuning in. Cooking with the Skinny Guinea. Finish it fast, even in the kitchen. We'll see you guys tomorrow. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.